Yes. Can you show me the answer of this? Okay, does everyone have completed the homework, or is there any difficulty to complete this homework? Yes. Hello.
साउंड ब्रेक होते सर.
Just a minute. Okay. Hello. Now, is it clearly audible?
Yes.
Okay. So, does everyone completed this homework? सगळ्यांचं करून झालंय का होमवर्क? Okay, so one of you have replied in chat box. Okay, so should I explain it here again? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will explain once again. See, okay, before that, can you tell me what is algorithm? Yes, can anybody tell me what is algorithm? Hello. Hello. Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Rules.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me what is algorithm? Yesterday we have seen one example of algorithm. कुठलं example बघितलं आपण? I want to build a
Addition of
home.
two numbers.
Addition.
Addition
No,
of
no,
two
no,
numbers.
no.
Addition.
Okay, that was for addition of two number. That was for uh, for implementation, but for definition, for to define algorithm.
Algorithm means step.
Algorithm means step. Hello.
Or instruction, rule.
Yes. Step by step logical procedure for problem solving. Okay, this is what algorithm. मी तुम्हाला काल पण म्हटलं होतं, you need not to mug up the definition. You just need to understand what is the concept. मग त्यावेळेस आपण एक एक्झाम्पल बघितलं होतं. कुठलं एक्झाम्पल? बिल्डिंग तयार करायचं. बरोबर ना? घर बांधायचं एक्झाम्पल बघितलं होतं. त्याच्यासाठी what we have listed step by step: finalizing area, then layout, then actual infrastructure, building infrastructure, then its properties, and lastly end. Okay, so ह्या सगळ्या काय आहेत? स्टेप बाय स्टेप लॉजिकल प्रोसिजर्स फॉर सॉल्विंग अ प्रॉब्लेम. कशासाठी? बिल्डिंग बांधण्यासाठी. त्याच्यावरून आपण डेफिनेशन काय केली अल्गोरिदमची? Algorithm is the step-by-step logical procedures for solving problems. Okay. And what is flowchart? A graphical representation of, a graphical representation with meaningful symbols. Okay. So what are those symbols? The symbols कुठले होते? Are you remembering? the symbols are oval. Oval shape is for start and end of the program. Okay, it denotes the start and end of the program. What do you understand with parallelogram? Parallelogramचं रिप्रेझेंटेशन कशासाठी करतात? इनपुट आणि आउटपुट डिस्प्ले करण्यासाठी. ओके, युजर कडून इनपुट घेण्यासाठी. And if we wish to display output, then we require to use parallelogram symbol. Rectangle. Rectangle is used for the process or the calculation purpose. Okay, now what are the calculations? Like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, regular arithmetic operations. Okay, so for this purpose, rectangle is used. Now next is diamond. When we are going to use the diamond, if we are using the logical operators. Math logical operator, so which are the logical operators? The logical operators are like greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to. These are what the logical operators. And see, this diamond is used for two purposes. First one is if I'm having these logical operators, and second thing is if I want to wish to make a decision. If this is the thing, then I should go to left hand side. If this is the thing, instead of left, I will go to right hand side. Okay, so that means like whenever I wish to take a decision based on the result, okay, त्याच्यासाठी कुठला यूज करतात symbol? Diamond. And this arrow is used to assign the sequence. Okay. Okay, आता समजलं तुम्हाला अल्गोरिदम आणि फ्लोचार्ट म्हणजे काय?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this yesterday we have seen the addition of two numbers. Now this is the next problem. Write an algorithm and draw flowchart. Okay, this is what the necessary thing. Now what is the problem? To convert the length in feet to the centimeter. म्हणजे काय की मला एक फूट या युनिट मध्ये मला लेंथ दिली आहे युजर कडून आणि मला त्याला काय करायचंय सेंटीमीटर मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचे. ओके, सो आय विल गो टू फर्स्ट फ्लो चार्ट. ओके, आता मी इथे फ्लो चार्ट ड्रॉ करतो. फ्लो चार्ट. Okay, flow chart. Now flow chart starts with, yes, with symbol oval. Correct. Start. Okay, so I will put arrow at the last, but for time being, okay, this is I started the process. Okay, now what is next? See, convert the length in feet to centimeter. So user has to give me some length. जर मला युजर कडून लेंथ येणार असेल तर ती कुठल्या नोटेशननी डिस्प्ले करायला लागेल? पॅरलेलोग्राम. बरोबर. इनपुट and output will be displayed, that means it has to be displayed with, yes, parallelogram. So input length in feet. Okay, input length in feet. याच्यासाठी मी एक नाव देतो LFT. Okay. What is next? Now I have the length in feet. Now I need to convert the length in feet to centimeter. Okay. आता ही जी काही लेंथ मला मिळाली ह्या लेंथचं मला काय कन्वर्ट करायचंय सेंटीमीटर मध्ये. So which notation I need to use?
Rectangle.
Yes, for calculation we are using rectangle. Okay. So how to convert foot into centimeter? LFT into 30. If I write 30, that means like if I have 2 feet length, 2 into 30, my answer will be 60 in centimeters. Okay. So here I will write on the left hand side length in centimeter. Okay. I have used the shortcut for length in centimeter as LCM and length in feet as LFT. Okay, length in feet into 30 is equal to, it will give me the length, total length into the centimeters. Okay, so we whatever the things we are required here. Okay, आज जे काय आपल्याला प्रॉब्लेम स्टेटमेंट मध्ये आहे, like the flow chart to convert length into feet. Okay, it is converted. Now what is remaining? It has to, yes, what is remaining?
Display.
Yes, simple. Only display is remaining. Okay, I will copy it. I will paste it here instead of length in centimeter. That is what our LCM TI. Okay, length in the centimeter format. And lastly, as like it starts, it will ends with oval shape.
सर तिथं आउटपुट लेंथ पाहिजे ना.
एक मिनिट मी इथे चेंज करतो END. Where? अरे हाँ, okay. I forgot to make changes here. Display or output or print length in centimeter. Okay. Yes, I got your point. Okay. So the thing I forget here, I need to shift the arrow from one process to other process. Okay. Okay. Now understood this flowchart. समजलाय का flowchart?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, yes. Okay. Now next is algorithm.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes. Please ask.
सर मग तिथं कसं कळणार की सेंटीमीटरचं कन्वर्जन 1 feet is equal to 30 सेंटीमीटर असं असणार?
See, these are what you can say the universal constant. Okay, so default constants are there. कारण जर तुम्ही बघितलं as like how much meter is equal to 1 kilometer? किती मीटर म्हणजे 1 किलोमीटर सांगा? बरोबर 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer.
1000 meter.
Yes. But
1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer.
yes, correct. But can we change that 1000 meter reading? म्हणजे मी असं म्हणू शकतोय का 2000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer?
No, sir.
No.
So that is the point. See, these are what the constants. Okay, again basic example. Okay, when you are calculating the area of circle, तिथे तुम्ही काय करतात? What is the formula of area of circle?
Pi r square.
Pi r square. Now what is the value of pi?
3.14.
Yes, can we change the value of pi?
No.
So that is what these are the constants. So see, when we wish to change these constant values we cannot change. So I have not taken into the input because these are the constant. हे तुम्ही these values like 30 or 3.14 you can directly assign, or you can if you assign to some of the variables. Okay, programming मध्ये गेल्यावर ते आपण there we will see how to calculate area of circle. Okay, तिथे पायची व्हॅल्यू कशी डिफाइन करतात मी तुम्हाला सांगेल. But this constant need not to be included in the input symbols. ते तुम्ही इथं डायरेक्टली डिफाइन करू शकते. ओके, समजले?
हा सर.
हा, आता हाच जर प्रॉब्लेम असा असेल की राईट एन अल्गोरिदम अँड ड्रॉ फ्लो चार्ट टू कन्वर्ट लेंथ इन सेंटीमीटर टू फीट. म्हणजे इथं काय रिव्हर्स होईल, फक्त रिव्हर्स इन द सेन्स आता हा 30 काय होईल, इकडे जाईल. म्हणजे काय होईल, लेंथ इन सेंटीमीटर डिवायडेड बाय 30 जर केलं तर तुम्हाला ती लेंथ फूट मध्ये मिळेल. बरोबर?
येस सर.
हा, but this 30 is what the constant for conversion constant for feet to centimeter, like 1000 is a constant for converting meter to kilometer, 10 is constant for converting millimeter to centimeter. Okay, so these are the constant values and they are using directly. Okay, समजलं?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
येस
Okay,
सर.
okay. Now we will move to this input. In input, okay, start. It is step by step logical procedure to solve a problem. So the step 1, it has to nominate with step 1 is start. Step 2, input length in feet. Okay, need not to make shortcuts unnecessarily. Okay, so we'll write completely LFT. Okay, then what is step 3? Calculate length in centimeter. Okay, what is step 4? Step 4, display. Length in centimeter, I will write here LCM and I will display LCM, length in centimeter. And last step is step number 5, end. Okay, समजलं?
येस सर.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now this okay, if you have gone through the diagrams, okay, we have not yet used this diamond. Okay, so we just use some basic like oval, then parallelogram and rectangle. Now for this diamond, okay, so, you may take this screenshot and later practice in your notebook. Okay, now I will move to hello. Okay, just a minute, I will move back to my screen. Yes,
Okay, sir.
okay, so I will move to next slide. Okay,
Okay.
yes, okay. Now decision, that means we need to like work with logical operators. Logical operators. So what are the logical operators are there? We have less than operator, we have greater than. That means wherever we find the comparison kind of operations are come under this logical operations. So here we find this less than equal to, greater than equal to, less than, and greater than equal to. Okay. Now what is happening here? See, the expression A greater than B is a logical expression. If I use this logical operator, the expression will become as the logical expression. It describes a condition. Okay, what is the condition? Whether A is greater or B is greater. Okay, we want to test. Now, here I want to test whether A is greater or B is greater. But I simply use this comparison operator in between. Okay, now if A is greater than B is true, म्हणजे ही condition जर valid असेल तर, if A is greater than B, we will take the action on left hand side. That means I will display A is greater. Now in second case, if A is greater than B is false. Okay, now I will replace the value. Okay, if you are having some confusion, so A is equal to, I will put 5 and B is equal to, I will keep 6. Okay, if you have some confusion, we will remove it now. So what is A? A is 5 and B is 6. So 5 greater than B. Whether it is true?
Yes.
Is 5 is greater than B?
No, sir.
Yes, that means we will go to this part. If A greater than B is false, 5 is not greater than B, right? Then what we need to what we need to go? We need to print the value of B. B in the sense which one is greater than, sorry, which is the greatest value now? 6. Okay. समजलंय का? का एक्झाम्पल घेऊन बघायचं?
समजले सर.
हा. Let's say if I'm having 6 and here 5, if A is greater than B, that means 6 is greater than B. Now it is true. So I will print the value of A.
A.
But then I will print the value of A. But in our previous case, A was 5 and B was 6, right? So here, if you put the values 5 and 6, so this condition is false. A is not, means 5 is not greater than 6. So then which is the greater? 6. So I will print the value of B, that means 6. Okay. So how it implements? It implements like this. Okay. Now, as the arrow is headed toward this diamond, before this arrow, like there is a start, then I have taken input value of A, then I have taken input value of B, and now the arrow is moved here. Is A is greater than B. Okay, whether it is true, if A is greater than B, that means if 6 is greater than 5, yes, it is greater. It is true. So I will print 6. But if A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 6, that means 5 is, this is what? The wrong statement. 5 is not greater than B. So I will print the value of B as 6 because it is greater. Okay. So can you draw this diagram of data flow diagram for the statement to find the greatest value? Yes, can you try to draw the diagram for finding the largest value? Just a minute, I will. I will give you one problem statement. Okay, after this example, I will take this one. Okay, write an algorithm and draw flowchart diagram, flowchart and draw a flowchart to find a larger number. Out of provided two numbers. Okay, now this is my problem statement. This is what our example number 3. Yes. Can you draw this or should I draw for you? Okay, I will draw it first and then we'll try for one more example. Okay. Uh, okay, similarly, I will copy from here. Okay, so we'll start with flowchart. Now, in the flowchart, it starts with oval, right? So start. Yes. Now, what I need to draw? Okay, write an algorithm and draw a flowchart to find larger number. Okay, I want to display the larger number. Find that means what? मला काय डिस्प्ले करायचंय लार्जर नंबर आउट ऑफ प्रोव्हाइडेड टू नंबर्स म्हणजे युजर कडून मला 2 नंबर मिळणार आहेत आणि त्या 2 नंबर मधला लार्जर नंबर कुठला आहे दॅट इज व्हॉट आय वांट टू डिस्प्ले ओके सो दिस इज व्हॉट द प्रॉब्लेम स्टेटमेंट हॅव यू अंडरस्टूड द प्रॉब्लेम स्टेटमेंट
Yes, sir.
okay so I will go to now what I need to add here whether I have to use rectangle or diamond or parallelogram.
Diamond.
Yes. First, I need to take two numbers as an input.
Parallelogram.
Yes.
Parallelogram.
Parallelogram is used for the inputs. Okay. Without input, I should not proceed. Okay. Input. Input. Okay. Now you may go with this input first number or and again like input second number. Okay, this is the way. Okay, input first number, input second number, or you can directly give here as input first and second number. Okay, इथं आता आपण okay, I will write as first number is A and B. Okay, तुम्ही दोन वेगळे स्टेटमेंट करू शकता इनपुट साठी एक फर्स्ट इनपुट व्हॅल्यू साठी आणि सेकंड इनपुट व्हॅल्यू साठी or you may combine into one. Okay, that is totally depend on you. So input first and second number as A and B. First number is A, second number is B. Now what is next? Okay, I have taken two input numbers. Yes. Now I need to find out the larger number out of these A and B. So now there is a condition. For the condition, I need to select the diamond. Okay, I will find the diamond. Okay, here it is. Okay, so condition is A greater than B. If this condition is true, if A is greater than B, then arrow. Okay, then I will print. Okay, which symbol is used for print?
Parallelogram.
Yes, parallelogram. Display A. Okay, that means the condition is true. That is, value of A, it will be print. Okay, if this is true, okay. Condition here is condition is true. Now, if this condition is false असेल तर काय प्रिंट करायला लागेल मला? If A is not less than B, okay, that means what? B is greater than A. So I will make here as if this condition false, if A is not greater than B, that ultimately or implicitly what it means, B is greater than A. For this false condition, if okay, for this false false condition, I need to print the larger number as B, because the condition of A is greater than B is not valid. म्हणजे 5 is not greater than 6. So what does it means? 6 is greater. So I will print the value of 6 here. Okay. And after this, I will end. So again, I will end with this oval shape. Okay, so I forgot to mark arrows in between. Just a minute. Okay. Okay, so have you understood this flow diagram, flow chart?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will write algorithm of the same. Algorithm. Okay, now again, algorithm is nothing but step-by-step instruction of for solving the problem. So, step 1. Step 1, start. Step 2, yes. Okay, I will copy it from here. Step 3. Condition. Okay, now for condition we use if A greater than B. If this is true, display A, else display B. State 5 end. एक मिनट. Okay, so do you understand this algorithm? Okay, I will explain now. So what we did in the step 2, we have taken the input units. Okay, A and B. Now आता या कंडिशन मध्ये काय यूज करतात, जर तर. Okay, if A is greater than B is true, by default if नंतरची केस काय असते, true. If this case is true, display A. Otherwise जर ही कंडिशन जर फॉल्स असेल, परत डिस्प्ले काय होणार, बी. ओके, कारण इथे काय, इफ A is less than B, if this condition A is greater than B is false. If it is not true, ultimately the condition is what, it is false, and for false we are going to display the other number is greater in very simple way. बरोबर समजले आता?
Yes, sir.
बरोबर. आता
Yes,
हे जे हे डायमंड वगैरे किंवा जे लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर्स जे आहेत, इट इज रिप्रेझेंटेड विथ इन आवर अल्गोरिदम वे, इट इज रिप्रेझेंट विथ इफ अँड एल्स. इफ दॅट मीन्स इट टॉक अबाउट ट्रू केस अँड एल्स इट टॉक अबाउट फॉल्स केस. ओके, म्हणजे इथं परत तुम्हाला असं म्हणायची गरज नाही की बी इज ग्रेटर दॅन ए. जर हे चुकीचं असेल, म्हणजे ए हा बी पेक्षा जर मोठा नसेल, अल्टिमेटली बी इज लार्जर. ओके, सो दिस वे, yes, so this way we are writing algorithms with this condition. Okay, so hello.
हा सर, ते कर्ली ब्रॅकेट मध्ये टाकायचं असतं ना. इफ आपण लूप टाकली ना, इफ लूप टाकले म्हणल्यावर डिस्प्ले ए आणि डिस्प्ले बी कर्ली ब्रॅकेट मध्ये टाकावं लागतं ना.
Okay, when we are actually start implementing this algorithm in C program, जिथे ज्यावेळेस आपण हे इम्प्लिमेंटेशन म्हणजे कोडिंग स्टार्ट करू सी प्रोग्रामिंग मध्ये, then I will list it out like when to use this curly bracket, where to use square bracket, where to use round brackets, where to use semicolons. Okay, but see at the in last lecture also we have discussed one thing in the algorithm. Algorithm is not depend on any of the programming language. आता हा जो मी प्रोग्राम इथं जो अल्गोरिदम लिहिलाय, बरोबर, हा इफ यू चेक दिस स्टेप्स, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 5. Okay, this step can be implemented with any of the programming language. So what are the different programming languages are there? I have C language. Okay, so I will list it out here. Okay, in the bracket I have C programming language, I have C++ programming language, I have C sharp. Okay, though you find it here as hash, ह्याला hash म्हणतात, but in our programming language it called it as C sharp language. We have Python, then we have, yes, Java, we have SQL, we have
HTML.
Okay, so HTML, ASP, JSP, these are scripting languages. They are used for developing web pages. Okay,
Java advanced.
yes, Java, in the Java means I consider core Java as well as the advanced Java. Okay. So this program can be implemented with any of these programming languages, and it has every language has its own syntax. Okay. प्रत्येक लँग्वेज मध्ये काय त्याचं स्ट्रक्चर इट इज डिफरंट फ्रॉम वन अँड द अदर. Okay, structure is different, some functions are different from one language to other. Okay, so algorithm is not depend on any of the programming language. Okay, so what is basically algorithm is a step-by-step procedural instructions to solve a given problem statement. आणि जे तुम्ही म्हटलेत की इथे मी हे सपोज दिस इज युअर क्वेश्चन. Okay, but I have not found anywhere this curly braces are used here in the algorithm point. Okay, so mostly whenever there are conditions are always expressed in the round brackets. Ani, okay, if like this, okay, this is valid. If you, I think you wish to say this way. Okay, this is the syntax of if else loop. If the condition and what if this condition is true, what I need to execute that is under this curly bracket. Else, if this condition is false, else what I should do, it is mentioned in this curly bracket. Okay, I think तुम्हाला हे म्हणायचं होतं.
हो सर.
Ha. But as we are not looking for the programming language as of now, okay, so unnecessarily I need not to increase your confusion. Okay, त्याच्यामुळे what is necessary in the algorithm that I just put before you. Okay, जे curly bracket वगैरे तुम्ही म्हटलेत आता, it is not used in the algorithms. Okay. Okay, so have you understood this problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I wish to give you one more problem. Yes, I will go to problem statement. Just a minute. Okay, so the problem statement is write an algorithm to determine the student's final grade and indicate whether it is passing or failing. The final grade is calculated as the average of 4 marks. Okay, so have you understood what we need to do here? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell me what we need to do here?
Student marks.
Student marks चं काय करायचं? Okay, मला डिस्प्ले काय करायचं ते सांगा. What I need to display?
Pass or fail.
Yes,
Pass or fail.
yes.
Student final grade.
No, here, okay, the focus is given on whether student is pass or fail. See, read question once again. Write an algorithm to determine student grade, student final grade. म्हणजे इथं मला फक्त स्टुडंटचा फायनल ग्रेड डिटरमाइन करायचा आहे. बेस्ड ऑन द ग्रेड वेदर, सो इंडिकेट म्हणजे मला डिस्प्ले करायचं आहे. इंडिकेट असेल किंवा टू फाइंड असेल, इट इम्प्लिसिटली मीनिंग इज टू डिस्प्ले. ओके, indicate whether it is pass or fail. And how you are going to calculate this final grade? The final grade is calculated as the average of 4 marks. Okay, so let's say I have 4 marks at A, B, C, and D. Okay, these are the 4 marks. First subject mark is A, second subject mark is B, third subject mark is C, and fourth subject mark is D. Okay, these are the 4 marks. Okay, so how to calculate average of this?
A plus B plus C plus D divided by 4.
Yes, very simple. समजलंय का सगळ्यांना? How to calculate average of 4 marks?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is very simple. You
Yes,
need to just a minute. You need to go for addition of all those 4 marks, and if you divide it by 4, that means number of subject. You'll get the average marks. Okay, so now when I get, okay, I will instead of here I will write it here. Okay, when I get, okay, I will store this into one. Okay, ह्याचा आन्सर आपण कशामध्ये सेव्ह करू? ऍव्हरेज मार्क्स, MARKS. ओके, आता मला काय करायचंय? आता माझ्याकडे ऍव्हरेज मार्क्स आहेत, बरोबर, 4 सब्जेक्टचे. याच्यावरून मला काय करायचे? स्टुडंटची ग्रेड फायनल करायची, वेदर पास और फेल. नाउ okay, for engineering passing mark is 40 and fail mark is below 40. If you have below 40%, you are fail, and if you have marks, average marks more than 40, you are pass. So like you can take the condition as average marks greater than 40. If this condition is true, then I will display pass. If this condition is false, I will display fail. Draw करू शकता तुम्ही flow diagram?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can it be possible within 2 minutes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So just give a try. Meanwhile, I will go through your participant list, and I will note the absent numbers. Okay, so just give a try for it. Yes, have you completed? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so where I wish to make change? Just a minute. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just I will add here input for subject marks. Okay, so just I will give you the glimpse. Okay, then I will go to this step. Okay, as this step is not added here. बरोबर इथे मला काय करायला लागेल? Then I have to use the rectangle. Rectangle I need to use it here. इथं मला रेक्टँगल यूज करायला लागेल. त्या रेक्टँगल मध्ये काय करायला लागेल मला? ऍव्हरेज कॅल्क्युलेट करायला लागेल.
Average.
येस. आणि ते ऍव्हरेज कॅल्क्युलेट केलेली काय करायला लागेल मला? त्याला एका व्हेरिएबल मध्ये मी काय घेतलं होतं एव्हीजी. ओके. AVG. So instead of average mark, I will put now here AVG. Now is AVG is greater than 40. Is AVG greater than 40? If this is true, then display pass. Otherwise, fail. Okay. असंच केलं सगळ्यांनी.
हाँ सर.
फक्त आता एरो काय होणार? हा एरो इथं कनेक्ट होणार आणि याच्या खालचा एरो इथे कनेक्ट होणार. बरोबर असाच प्रयत्न केलाय सगळ्यांनी.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Good. Okay. So for today, we'll stop here. Still, if you have any doubt, you can